Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to go through all the amazing deals over at Ace Hardware this month. The deal should go for the entire month. Now, they actually had a bunch of deals from last month that carried over, at least so far. So I do have a link down below with all the deals that we're going through in the same order that you're going to see them in the video. And also at the bottom of that page is all of the deals last month that are still at the same sale price. So be sure to check that out. For some of these deals, you'll need to be an Ace Rewards member. Of course, it's free to join. In addition to the discounted price, you'll earn points towards money off on future purchases. So we're going to try and breeze through these as much as possible, and I'm going to avoid ones that we talked about last month because let's not be so redundant. First, we have the Milwaukee 11-piece assorted 11-in-1 screwdriver nut driver, normally $14, but this month down to $9.99. Here we have the Milwaukee 25-foot tape measure, compact tape measure, normally $16.99 down to $9.99. The Milwaukee Torque Lock Max Bite forged alloy steel curved jaw pliers, normally $16 down to $9.99. The Milwaukee Fastback press and flip folding pocket knife. This was one that was included last month. The original price is $16.99, and last month it was either $12.97 or $11.99. I don't remember, but anyways, it's $9.99 right now. Here we have the Craftsman 2-pack of nylon tool bags. It says the original price was $24.99. It is on sale all the way down to $12.99. Ace Rewards members save an additional $3, bringing you down to $9.99 for the tool bag. We're going to have a couple of good Craftsman sets coming up here. The first one is the Assorted 3/8" drive SAE 6-point sockets. It's a 10-piece set with the 3/8" ratchet. Normally $28.99, sale price of $12.99, but Ace Rewards members are only going to pay $9.99. And this is basically an updated version that Craftsman has had for a very long time. It used to be in, I believe it was the SAEs were in black cases and the metrics were in gray cases. And the sockets here are oriented a little bit differently than what the old case looked like. And this is the updated ratchet. If everyone's seen the old school ratchet that Craftsman sold for 50 years, this is a newer version. But anyway, you get the 3/8" ratchet and the SAE sockets in the handy dandy case, all for $9.99. I hope it's not going to pull that up for every window now. Stanley Heavy Duty 9/16" staple gun, originally $17.99 down to $12.99, and now $9.99 for the Ace Rewards members. Here we have the Craftsman 1/4" SAE 6-point ratchet set. Again, it was $26.99 down to $12.99, then $9.99 for rewards members. And this is the same as the 3/8" drive as far as they have updated an older set. And it's kind of interesting. The 1/4" comes with a little baby extension, which you don't get with the 3/8" drive. Uh-oh. I don't know what item's not working, but something's not coming up. Let's hope we don't get too many of those. Craftsman 1/4" drive, metric 6-point. So the 1/4" version, metric, $9.99 for the Ace Rewards members. Irwin Quick Grip 6" bar clamps. Normally $29.99, that's too expensive. On sale for $12.99, and then Ace Rewards members $9.99 for the Quick Grip clamps. You got the 2-pack of the Milwaukee Fastback press and flip folding utility knife set. Normally $22.99 down to $14.97. Really? You had to do that, didn't you? Dewalt Impact Ready Drive Bit Set Steel. It's a 34-piece set with the handy-dandy case. I love those cases because they are modular. They lock in with other cases. You can stack them all up and on the go. And then all these rails pull out and you can readjust them. You can put other pieces in. They're all compatible with the other cases. It's an amazing system. Normally $28 down to $14.99. Another one of those cases, the Dewalt high-speed steel split point drill bit set, 13-piece set, normally $19 down to $14.99. We have the Tungsten Carbide 7 1/4 inch circular saw blade set, 24 teeth. This is a 2-pack. We have to add the item to our cart to see the price, normally $17.97. And we can see the discounted price is $14.99. We got an Ace Steel Garden Hoe, my second favorite kind of hoe. 54-inch fiberglass handle. Normally $28.99, now $21.99. Can't add it to your cart, so maybe you can't buy online or unavailable. Ace, 57-inch and a quarter. Don't cheat them out of their quarter. Steel round digging shovel, fiberglass handle, normally $29 down to $21.99. We got a rake, fiberglass handle, 16 tine, same price as before, $21.99. Last one, we have the 58-inch steel square transfer shovel. Don't be mis-shoveling it. It's a transfer shovel. Don't be calling it no shit shovel. $21.99. Dewalt 7 1/4 inch tungsten carbide circular saw blade, 60 teeth. This one's a 1-pack, $22.98. Have to add it to the old cart. And this one will be $14.99. Milwaukee Phillips slotted square screwdriver. Is it square or is it Robertson? 10-piece, $37.99, on sale for $29.97. The Assorted SAE hollow shaft nut drivers, normally $42 down to $32.97. And here are their metric cousins for the same price, $32.97. Next up, we have the Milwaukee Torque Lock 3-piece forged alloy steel reaming pliers, $49.99 down to $34.97. Got the Milwaukee high carbon steel open lock oscillating blade set, 6-piece, normally $49.99 down to $34.97. Here we have a nice little Gearwrench deal that we have seen before. It's the Gearwrench 12-point metric and SAE ratcheting combination wrench set. It's a 20-piece set, presumably 10 of each. That would make sense. Was $89.99 down to $49.99. Got the Craftsman 3/8-inch micrometer torque wrench, 1 piece. You only get one. Don't think you're getting two. $109.99 down to $49.99. Have a Craftsman accessory set, 1/4 inch straight drive and 1/2 inch, 21 pieces. Normally $79.99 down to $49.99. Honestly, even the sale price seems a little too high for me. I feel like I bought this exact set a few years ago when the Sears went out of business around here for like $20 or $25. Now that was a pretty good deal there, but $49.99 just seems a bit much. Got the Milwaukee open lock oscillating blade set. This is the 9-piece set, normally $74.99 down to $59.97. Craftsman Versa Stack, 1/4 inch and 3/8 drive, metric and SAE mechanic tool set. It's a 71-piece set. It says the sale price is $64.98, but we have to add it to our cart to see the final price. And said final price is $49.99. Next up, we have the Makita corded angle grinder, normally $69 down to $59. The Craftsman 1/4 inch brushed impact driver kit. I'm surprised they say brushed normally because that's not a selling point. They would just kind of leave that point out, just leave it a little bit ambiguous there. We don't need to actually tell people. Anyway, it's $79. Then you get $10 off for Ace Rewards members, but then there's also a discount in the cart. I believe it came down to $59. This is a kit with the battery and charger, but the $59 price is pretty typical that we've seen from Ace and even Lowe's somewhat recently, or at least around Christmas and everything. So $69.99 is your final price on that. Well, I'm having a heck of a time getting Ace's website to actually do anything here, but when I'm actually logged into my account and I add this same item, oh, thank you. when I add this same item after I'm logged in to my account, it does go down to $59.99 as I was expecting. Here we have the Craftsman 20-volt brushed drill. So it's the same deal as we just saw with the impact driver, $79, and in your cart and everything will be down to $59.99, and that is with the battery and charger also. We have the Craftsman 7.5 amp corded brushed reciprocating saw, $79, $10 off for the Ace Rewards members. Then we also have that discount in cart. Here again, when logged into my Ace account, that's going to come down to $59.99 for the reciprocating saw. Milwaukee M12 brushed cordless battery operated screwdriver kit. That's coming with two 1.5 amp hour batteries. The charger in the bag, normally $100 down to $79. Another Milwaukee M12 deal. This is a fuel brushless cordless hammer drill kit. Now it's coming with a 4 amp hour battery and a 2 amp hour battery. Let me see here. Somewhere else I think it showed the whole breakdown. Maybe I'm a liar. So here you can see it says the 2 and 4 amp hour batteries. Normally $159 down to $99 for that. Pretty good deal getting a fuel hammer drill in that 4 amp hour battery. Here we have the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Cordless Brushless Impact Driver Kit. This one is a 2 amp hour battery with the charger, normally $159 down to $99. This Craftsman mechanic set goes on sale every once in a while. I know we definitely saw it on Christmas, and I think once since then, between now and then. We have the 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive metric and SAE 6 and 12 point mechanic set. It's a 227 piece kit. Comes with the handy dandy case there. Normally $249.99. Feel sorry for the poor son of a bitch who paid that much for it. $119.99 is the sale price, but the Ace Rewards members get $20 off, paying $99.99. So pretty good price once you get those discounts there. Please don't pay $249 for it. Here we have the Dewalt Jobsite Bluetooth speaker, normally $119.99 down to $99.99 for the Ace Rewards members. We have a Milwaukee M12 Fuel 1/4 inch impact driver brushless, of course, fuel. Let's see, this is a kit and it comes with two 2 amp hour batteries and the charger. Normally $169.99 down to $129. Pretty good deal there. We have the Dewalt 20 volt max variable speed job site fan. I have this fan. It's amazing. Do I have this fan? Do I have the other one? Don't remember the model number of the one I have. Anyway, $149.99 down to $109.99 for the Ace Rewards members. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 1/4 inch cordless brushless impact driver, $159.99, but we get a free battery to go with it, and your free battery is the 3.0 3 amp hour lithium high output CP. There we go. Next up, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Leaf Blower, tool only. It is $169. It's also coming with a free battery. For this, you're getting a free 5 amp hour battery. Here we have the M18 Fuel Hedge Trimmer. Don't say anything bad about hedge trimmers. The hedge trimmer mafia will come for your head. $179. And again, we're getting a free item, and it is that 5 amp hour battery again. Here we have the Milwaukee M12 brushed 2-tool kit, getting a drill, the impact driver, battery charger. Let's see, you get two 1.5 amp hour batteries to go with that kit. Normally $179.99 down to $99.99. Have the Milwaukee M12 Hacksaw brushed reciprocating saw kit, normally $179.99 down to $129.99, and that is coming with a 1.5 amp hour battery. A nice little Dewalt deal here. We have the 4 amp hour battery starter kit with the charger. It's going to be $189, but when you add it to your cart, you're getting a discounted price, and then we also get a free item. So if we look at our potential free items, we got the oscillating tool, a little compact circular saw, the one-handed reciprocating saw, kind of like a hacksaw, the blower, the hedge trimmer, or the weed whacker. Now let's just, for the giggles of it, we'll select the weed whacker. So in the cart, you can see the actual price is going to be $159 for the starter kit, and then we're getting that free tool to go with it. And we have the Milwaukee Brushless Cordless drill at $189.99 and a free 3 amp hour battery to go with that. Milwaukee M18 cordless brushed 2-tool drill and impact driver, normally $199 down to $149. We have the brushless compact drill kit, comes with the battery and the charger. That is a 2 amp hour battery, it does believe. 2 amp hour battery with the charger, normally $199 down to $149. Here we have the impact driver kit. Looks like we're actually getting 2 batteries this time, 2 amp hour batteries to go with that. $149 for that. And Dewalt has the 20-volt cordless brushless 2-tool compact with the drill and impact driver. Normally $229 down to $169. Those look like the 1.5 amp hour batteries. You're also getting the DCB 107 charger, which is a 1.25 amp output. So it's one of their slower chargers, kind of an economy kit here. Two Milwaukee 5 amp hour batteries for $229, but we're also getting a free item to go with it. You can get the sander, the hammer drill, the impact driver, or the LED work light. We have the Craftsman 1/4 inch, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive metric and SAE 12-point mechanic tool set, 6 and 12-point mechanic tool set. This is a 308-piece set. Normally $319.99, on sale for $249.99, and then down to $199.99 for the good old Ace members. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel Brushless Cordless Drill Kit. That's coming with 2 5 amp hour batteries, so those are pretty decent batteries to include with that kit. It's selling for $299.99, but we're also going to get a free item here. We can get ourselves a third 5 amp hour battery, reciprocating saw, angle grinder, or the circular saw. And here's a pretty similar deal, although this time we have a hammer drill. We're still getting those same 2 5 amp hour batteries and the same $299.99. And if we look, the same tool options or free item options. Now here we have the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 16-inch chainsaw kit with the battery and the charger. So that comes with a 12 amp hour battery, which is amazing. I've had this for a little over a year now, and it is really great. Now we're getting a free tool to go with it, and it's the 6 amp hour battery, which actually doesn't last that long in this type of saw, but at least it'll get you through while that 12 amp hour is charging. But the 6 amp hour battery will be perfect for a lot of other tools that are high demand. It's just this chainsaw, I mean, it cuts really well, but it eats batteries, eats them for lunch. Boy, how cool would it be if this came with a free 12 amp hour battery? Boy, that'd be an amazing deal then. So that does it for all the Ace Hardware deals this month. I'll have a link down below to this post on my page, and we have all the items in the same order that we just looked at them. And then towards the bottom of the page here, these are all the items that were on sale last month and are carrying over this month. So if you want to check that out, or if you missed out on it last time, you got a second chance. So there it is. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.